Back again. Hope I didn't leave y'all too long without a little Honda content. So I took the liberty of buying this cheap eBay exhaust and give y'all a little sound clip and show y'all what it looks like and everything. So sit back, relax, you know, it's about to be another one. No way, it came out? That's what's up.
You're like,
yeah.
oh, I didn't think that was gonna work.
Nah, because I drove for like a half an hour, that's why.
Yeah, right.
Loosen them hoes up real quick.
I got the good stuffs, bro. I'm really disgusted how well this is lining up for a fucking eBay exhaust.
I'm happy.
I'm not. There's two.
Tell me what you think. Oh my god, sounds dumb.
It sticks out too.
Let's get a little riding clips real quick, and yeah. About to get down to the install of my side mirror. Gotta take the panel off to get to the clip. Not the clip, the plug. So you can rotate it how you like. Oh boy. Been dreading this. Don't really want to do it. How to... Oh. Okay. Alright, we learn. Put that in there. I don't think I need this anymore. Not trying to break any clippies. Now I can get at screw number 1, screw number 2, 3, 4. Where's the other one? I think the other one's down in there. 5. I don't think there's one there though. I feel like there's more. I had a power tool. Take my time with these old plastics. After this, I forgot. I think I pull out the window switch and unplug it. Oh yeah, that too, that's right. Thanks, assistant. I guess I could disconnect this wire for the speaker. However, okay. Rip this panel off gingerly. Feel for the bottom. Now you can take it out. Wait, hold on. Actually. Dang. Can this all come out? Ugh, there we go. Bang.
You do this.
Yep, just like that. Where my holes at? Where my hole? I mean, where my... Hold up, back it up a little bit. Up with it. Yep. There we go. Hold it right there, buddy. Can't get it on now.
Better. I just got one.
All right, you wanna tighten these up, Carter?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Nice experience.
So yeah.
That one?
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yep, just like that. Oh no, keep it straight when you do it, like, yeah, like that. I ain't never coming off. All right. Mm-hmm. Yep.
I feel like I was doing it wrong the whole entire time.
No, that's how you do it. All right, that's good.
Will you get these off?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. All right, now we can continue with this video now that I know what the hell I'm doing. Let's get to it. Let's finish it up, wrap it up, know what I mean? Check the functions. This one ain't got enough bite on it. The clip. Like, there's nothing I could do to help that right there. Yeah, well. Last piece of the puzzle. Damn, I'm gonna really try to film with one hand and work on something. Go. I gotta pop the bottom in. Alright, so new mirror's on, y'all. Ran into one problem though. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you. Just get some power to it. See if it works. Perfect. Problem is now, when I took the door card off, I had it hanging. I didn't have nothing supporting it, so I think it stretched the cable. You just have to roll down the window in order to get out. Like so. That about wraps it up, everybody. It was a little simple video, very short, but I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, stay tuned. Got a lot more to go.
I'm trying to take